This video shows you how to use rulers using the PicoScope 7 automotive software. Here we have a crankshaft sensor trace. To add rulers, you can select the Rulers tab, which brings you the Rulers toolbox, and you can turn the rulers on here. Or, even easier, you can simply grab your time rulers from the bottom, moving horizontally. Ruler 1 and ruler 2. Notice as soon as you select the ruler, you have the information box pop up, the measurement box, and it tells me the time for ruler 1, the time for ruler 2, the delta between the two, the frequency between the two, and the RPM. So we can see this trace was taken at tick over at 814.8 RPM. To get rid of the rulers, you can click the X and the rulers will disappear, or, as I'll demonstrate here, simply grab the ruler and move it to the left of the screen, and the ruler box will go transparent, and that's the rulers off. So that's using normal measurement rulers.